Hey guys, off camera I said I'm going to do some, but instead I done all of it. Do not mind this part. I did get the last part. I'm going to show you all. Actually, sorry I couldn't do it on camera. I tried, but the loading thing takes way too long. So let's go out. Okay, let's go. There. That's how it looks like. Oh, wait. Wait. Wait, guys. Maybe there's more. Nope. Okay, that's how it looks like from the outside, guys. First, you come in. I'm going to be here and there. You ask for a spot with your friends and stuff. You come right here. Someone else will be here. Tell them your size, how big your shoes are. Then they're going to tell you which one. There's only goes to 10. Then it goes just like click on this. Yeah, you click on that. Then you pick up the ball. I already have a ball down here. You come up. Oh, no. Then boop, boop. Ready, set, go. Oh, yes, I got some. So that's all. I tried to do on camera. I'm finished, so I'm going to leave game and find a hobby or something to play. Boop. Okay, let's see which one do I want to. No. No. I'm going to do chocolate hobby. Hobby. That's all? Oh, it's a tycoon sort of thing. That's all. Sorry, this is impossible. Come on! Noob. I have to go. Okay, guys, Sorry, I think I'm going to end the video here. Thumbs up, subscribe, hit the little bell icon next to the subscribe bell icon next to the subscribe button. And David, this is again, I'm mentioning you. It's impossible to this. Says the easiest. Bye bye. See you. One more thing, I'm going actually to try to do this obby off camera. So if I do make this, I'll try again at this later. I'll do the thing again if I make it. So bye.